Hi, I'm Pierce Goodfarb, and this is my CPI 101 Tech Talk number 2 on stem cells in medicine. So to begin, it is important to understand the basis behind stem cell application, which is to utilize a method called somatic cell nuclear transfer, or SCNT, which replaces the DNA in an egg cell's nucleus with the genetic material from a nucleus of a skin cell. This then tricks the egg cell to start dividing as if it had been fertilized. The result is an embryo that is almost a perfect genetic copy of the skin cell donor. Present applications include removing the stem cells from the embryo to grow them into tissues that can be used to cure diseases, replace organs, and heal injuries. Stem cells are currently most commonly used for the transplantation of blood cells to treat diseases or to restore the blood system after treatments for specific cancers. The U.S. National Marrow Donor Program has published a full list of diseases treatable by blood stem cell transplants, including many forms of leukemia, bone marrow diseases, and inherited immune system disorders. The two less common forms of stem cell treatment include replacement of organs, such as blood vessels, muscular tissue, and bladders, as well as healing injuries, such as stem cell therapy, utilizing stem cells or MSCs found in bone marrow to treat knee injuries. Here's my video explaining some of the uses for stem cell research in organ transplants.
In what you might call the laboratory of the future, Dr. Anthony Atala is manufacturing body parts.
Actually, here you see a engineered blood vessel. You can actually see the vessel beating.
From blood vessels to muscle tissue, Atala and his team at Wake Forest University believe, in theory, anything inside the body can be grown outside the body. They've made 18 different types of tissue so far.
That's a heart valve.
This is an engineered heart valve.
A pulsing heart valve to be transplanted into a sheep.
When people ask me, what do? We grow tissues and organs.
You really are making body parts.
We are making body parts that we can implant right back into patients.
Once considered a Frankenstein fantasy, the field of regenerative medicine is on the verge of unimagined breakthroughs. Scientists believe every part of the body has cells capable of regeneration. All researchers need to do is isolate those cells and coax them to grow.
Recent advancements done by Takanori Takabe at the Department of Regenerative Medicine in Yokohama City University in Japan have resulted in a massive improvement, allowing for the generation of liver buds from stem cells that were taken from human skin and reprogrammed to an embryonic state, which is the opposite of the current methods, allowing for the removal of the ethical problems associated with embryonic stem cells. Also, although this experiment did conclude a new, more effective form of creating stem cells, there were several downsides, as 20% of the mice test subjects died of cancer, and more testing is needed to be done before such experiments can be conducted on humans. And here is my works cited. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my Tech Talk number 2, and have a good day.